Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Focus 360. Today we are going to discuss 4th chapter of NCERT Geography of 6th standard. The link of previous chapters is given in the description box. In this video, I am going to discuss the types of maps and also show you some of the important rivers of India through maps. So keep watching till the end. Now let us move to the first question. The art of map making is known as options: remote sensing, cartography, photogrammetry, mapping. And the answer is cartography. Here in the options, you can see photogrammetry. It is the science of making measurements from photographs. Its software can convert images into maps or measurements. Next question. Who coined the word geography? Options: Ptolemy, Eratosthenes, Herodotus, Strabo. And the answer is Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes was Greek scientific writer, astronomer who gave the first measurement of the size of the earth. And from the options, you see Ptolemy. Ptolemy was Greek mathematician, astronomer, geographer, best known for his book Geography, also called Geographia. Herodotus was an ancient Greek historian. He is also referred to as the father of history, and he is known for his famous book, The Histories. Strabo was also Greek philosopher, geographer, who is best known for his book Geographica. Next question. First man to make the world map was options: Anaximander, Posidonius, Eratosthenes, Strabo. And the answer is Anaximander. In this image, you can see how the first world map looked like. Next question. The number of cardinal points in a map are options 1, 2, 3 or 4. And the answer is 4. And they are east, west, north and south. Next question. Maps showing different boundaries of countries and states are options: topographical maps, navigational charts, political maps, cadastral maps. And the answer is political maps. Now from the options you can see cadastral maps. Cadastral maps are those maps which are used for survey of lands. These maps give more detailed information about the land boundaries and other features when surveyed. Next is the navigational charts. Navigational charts are essential for safe navigation as it gives detailed representation of sea area and adjacent coastal regions. It also gives details of coastline, navigational hazards and other features. Then another example I will give you about topographical maps, and this is the image. Topographical maps are those which give much detailed representation of natural and man-made features of earth such as landforms, drainage, roads, forest covers, transportation routes, etc. This is the political map of world. Let me show you the 7 continents. This is Asia. This part is Asia. This is Europe. This part is Africa. This one. And then this is North America. This is South America. This part is South America. This is Australia. And this portion is Antarctica. Now in Asia, these are the Southeast Asian countries, and they form a group called Association of Southeast Asian Nations, having 10 members, and their headquarters is in Jakarta, Indonesia. Then there are also the SAARC countries in South Asia, where India is one of the members, headquartered in Nepal, Kathmandu. This is Nepal. Recently, there was a proposed free trade agreement in the Indo-Pacific region, the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, and here India opted out. Now let me show you the water bodies. Here is the Pacific Ocean. Then here is the Atlantic Ocean. This side is the Arctic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean is this side, and here is the Southern Ocean, that is Antarctic Ocean. Also this side you can see the European countries. They form a group called European Union. Recently Britain announced its withdrawal in March 2017. And here also you can see that these are the group of islands. They are called Caribbean Islands. There are many other treaties and organizations. I will make a separate video on this. Next question. Who first estimated the circumference of the earth? Options: Anaximander, Eratosthenes, Archimedes, Newton. And the answer is Eratosthenes. From the options you see Archimedes. Archimedes was the most famous Greek mathematician, inventor, astronomer of all times. He gave relation between surface area and volume of sphere, accurate approximation of pi, and many more mathematical proofs. He also formulated hydrostatic principle known as Archimedes principle and Archimedes screw, which is used for pumping liquids. And another greatest scientist, Newton. Newton was an English mathematician and physicist who formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation. He has written a famous book called Mathematic Principles of Natural Philosophy, also referred to as Principia. Next question. Maps showing natural features of Earth is called option: cadastral maps, topographical maps, physical or relief maps, thematic maps. And the answer is physical or relief maps. Now this is an example of physical map of India representing the flow of rivers. Based on the source, the rivers are divided into two types: Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Let me show you some of them. This is river Ganges. The river Ganga originates from Gangotri Glacier in Uttarkashi, Uttarakhand, flows through 5 Indian states, enter Bangladesh, and then drains in Bay of Bengal. Next is the Brahmaputra River. Brahmaputra River originates in Mansarovar Lake, Tibet, flows through Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bangladesh, and then drains in Bay of Bengal. Next is river Indus. Indus originates in Tibet near Mansarovar Lake, flows through Ladakh, enters Pakistan, and drains in Arabian Sea. Then in the peninsular India, important rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, and Tapi. There are many other rivers. I have shown only the important ones. Here Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are called east flowing rivers, and Narmada and Tapi are called west flowing rivers. Please remember this. This is very important from an exam point of view. Next question. Maps which focus on specific information such as road maps, rainfall distribution are called options: thematic maps, topographical maps, navigational maps, cadastral maps. And the answer is thematic maps. These are thematic maps, one showing about population density and another about national highway. Next question. The brown color in map depicts options: mountains, lakes, bridges, roads. And the answer is mountains. Also, contour lines depict brown color in map. In this image, you can see these brown lines are called contour lines. Next, the yellow color in map depicts options: woods, plateau, drainage, roads. And the answer is plateau. From the options, woods are shown in green color and drainage are shown in blue color. Next, a rough drawing of an area is called options plan, sketch, scale, none. And the answer is sketch. Next, a scale is necessary for options map, sketch, symbols, none. And the answer is map. Next question, maps which is used to show large areas like countries on a paper are called options small scale maps, large scale maps, topographical maps, contour maps. And the answer is small scale map. Maps which are used to show small area like village or town on a paper is called options small scale maps, large scale maps, choropleth map and none. And the answer is large scale maps. From the options you have seen choropleth map. Choropleth maps are those which use different colors to represent each country state based on the data of that area. This is an example of choropleth map. Next, compass is used to options to show symbols, to find the main direction, to measure distance, none. And the answer is to find the main direction. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.